The connected device landscape is expanding. New devices are being connected to different cloud platforms. New device operating systems are being created. New digital services are being developed. Any device vulnerability within this ecosystem creates risk. Device manufacturers have a significant responsibility for securing this ecosystem, and many aren't sure where to start. Service providers need reassurance they are engaging with an authorized end user through a legitimate device, and cloud platform providers need to know they are engaging with intended devices and audiences. In short, trust must be established between the device manufacturer and the end user. Plus, to optimize market share, IoT devices should be flexible enough to accommodate different device operating systems, cloud platform providers, and security requirements. So, how can device manufacturers protect themselves and their customers while retaining flexibility? Simple, by implementing standardized foundational security. Device Trust Architecture is a security by design framework designed to give device manufacturers a flexible approach to seamless interaction with other stakeholders when deploying digital devices. It demonstrates how internationally proven certified secure component technology can be used by IoT device manufacturers to protect all digital services and devices, from smart TVs to connected factory equipment. Download GlobalPlatform's ebook on DTA for IoT device manufacturers to learn more.